Welcome to Website Making Challenge Day 1. What is a website? What is the benefit of website? If you have a website, you can reach more people. The website may be a personal website or a business website or e-commerce website. So as per your need, you can make that kind of website. Now we can think about the basics of the website. A website is a collection of web pages. There are two types of web pages. One is static website. Another is dynamic website. So what is the difference of these two websites? Look, static website. The content is static. In every website we can see the text, the images, the videos. In the static website, everything is static, not changing. If you want to change, then the developer can change it. For making the static website, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So we have studied HTML in the previous classes. Once you made the static website with the help of HTML, then if you want any change, then you have to change the code. So if you don't know the HTML coding, you can't any change in the static website. But in the case of dynamic website, the content means the text, image, photos, videos, everything we can change by ourselves. We can do alone. There is no need to study the coding. The system will do it. There is an admin login, password, username. You can open it, then you can update. That is the example. Facebook is the example of static website. We have a username and password. We can open the Facebook, then we can post videos, text, everything. So that is the example of dynamic website. Dynamic means it is changing, it is moving. Photos, videos, everything we can change as per our wishes. If you want to make a dynamic website, some languages, PHP, ASP.NET, these are the coding program we have to study. But there is no need to study these things. Already the templates are available. With the help of WordPress, we can make dynamic website. So tomorrow we can study more about how to make a website. So please subscribe the channel, then we can study the next session. Bye, see you.